Hey friends, Prince iPal Science here with episode number 2 of Prince iPal Science. And I want to start off with a did you know? Have you ever stopped to think where oxygen comes from? Your first thought might be, oh, the forest, the rainforest, comes from trees and plants. We learned that at school. But here's a cool science fact for you. We can thank plant-based marine organisms for all the fresh air. According to the National Oceanic Service, plankton, seaweed, and other photosynthesizers, plants in the ocean, produce more than half of the world's oxygen. Yes, over half of the world's oxygen comes from the ocean. Did you know? Bet you didn't. I know I didn't. So there's your science. Did you?
Scorpions, I want to inform you on a little science history or a historical science figure. So this is Archimedes. Archimedes was a Greek engineer, mathematician, physicist, and astronomer. He has had a lasting influence in these areas. And although very little is known about the man himself, his inventions have stood the test of time and laid the foundation for many modern designs. The Archimedes screw, which can raise water efficiently, is undoubtedly the most famous. So there's a little research for you. Maybe look up what is the Archimedes screw and see where that might be used in our world. This is Archimedes.
All right, Scorpions, I have a math riddle for you. What could you place between number 3 and number 4 so that it's bigger than 3 but smaller than 4? What can you put between 3 and 4 so that it's bigger than 3, smaller than 4? Hope my 4th and 5th graders got this. That would be a decimal, maybe 3.5, bigger than 3, but less than 4. So your answer is a decimal.
The chemical element of the week is silicon. Silicon is a chemical element with the symbol Si and atomic number 14. Silicon is the second most common element on Earth. It is a hard, brittle, crystalline solid with a blue-gray metallic luster. Silicon is our scientific chemical element of the week, the second most common element on Earth. Did you know that?
All right, friends, here is your science vocabulary. The word is data. Now, when we hit SARSF time, you will know that word well, and you will learn a lot about it. But data, well, what is data? Data is a bunch of facts and information about things that you know. So there's data, a bunch of facts or things you know. So there is your science vocabulary.
I have a very interesting STEM job for you. Mining and geological engineer. How about that? How would you like to be a mining and geological engineer? Well, what do these people do? Well, they design mines to safely and efficiently remove minerals for use in manufacturing and utilities. So a mining and geological engineer designs mines and mine sites with a focus on safety. Maybe someday you might be a mining and geological engineer.
All right, Scorpions. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Prince iPal Science. Have a great week, and remember, read a little math, put a little bit in your brain. Don't let it go stale over the summer. All right, friends, we'll see you next time. Ta-ta for now.